Hi everybody, welcome back to our cooking show, yet again with my sister Nadia and my mother Franca. And for the addition to this season's football, my sister decided to show us how to make
meatball subs.
and we will show you just how to make it. Coming up next
I love what you eat. We're ready for the meatball subs. So what we have in a bowl is minced meat. We have some ground beef and some ground veal. I like to do about a half and half. We have breadcrumbs, about the same amount of breadcrumbs as ground beef. We have some grated Parmesan cheese, about half of the amount of the breadcrumbs as cheese. And we have some milk that we're going to be incorporating into the breadcrumbs to make it wet. We're going to add in some eggs, some chopped up parsley, and once everything is assembled and we're going to cook the meatballs, we're going to use our delicious marinara sauce with our sliced mozzarella and assemble our meatball subs.
All right, so we're gonna get to making the meatballs first.
All right. All right.
But now this one is all by myself.
All by yourself? Okay, go ahead.
Good girl. Yay!
Thank you. Can you pour this?
It looks like that.
Yeah, it should be enough.
Then it's
We're gonna mix this up. I'll give you a spoon. Here, mix this up. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle some cheese. I'm gonna mix it all together.
You sprinkle on my hand.
Before you turn over the meatballs, make sure that the bottom has a nice like a golden crust. If not, it's just all gonna fall apart.
It's your first time.
So I'm just removing the interior of the panini a little bit. Nadia's going to be nestling in the meatballs. It's
Coated
easier
in
for,
sauce.
yeah, coated in sauce. There we go.
So when you're closing it up, you won't be squashing anything.
And don't throw away the interior of the bread. Keep it, you make breadcrumbs.